Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a journal. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about this journal, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to some more videos like this. Let's get on with the video. You want to start off by folding any type of paper, like dotted paper, lined paper, or just plain paper in half. Fold as many pieces of paper that you want inside of your journal. After you folded the paper, you want to open the paper and stack all the pieces of paper on top of each other. Then you want to take some cardstock paper or scrapbook paper and cut the cover out into the size you want your journal to be and fold it in half. After you cut the cover out, you want to put the stack of pieces of paper that you just folded on top of the inside of the cover. Then you want to take a thumbtack and two staples to measure the size of the staple and where you would like to put the staples at on the journal. You want to take one staple and poke a hole into the top piece of paper with a thumbtack at the end of each staple. Then repeat it again for the second staple. Then you want to take the thumbtack and push it through to the other side of the cover and do this for the other holes. When you are done making the other holes, you want to put the staples through the holes on the front and close the staples inside of the journal. Then you want to cut off any of the extra paper that is hanging out of the journal. If you want, you can add some washi tape on the outside of the journal to cover the staples. You can cut a shape out of a piece of paper and write what the journal is going to be about onto that piece of paper, and then you can tape it onto the front of the journal. You can also add a table of contents page into the journal, and you can also number the pages. And that's it for this video. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about this journal, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to some more videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Bye!